Divine Collective, I see here that you're getting justice and positive karma in the situation. This is confirmation for someone, okay? Divine Collective, someone from your past here thought that the person he partnered with was better than you. Someone here has been arrested. I'm also getting arrested development in this reading, Divine Collective. Dolce and Gabbana is of significance. I'm hearing Dolce and Gabbana, okay? Somebody's neighbors are experiencing a tower moment. These neighbors belong to a dark coven or some type of dark cult, Divine Collective. They're experiencing a tower moment currently. These neighbors are addicted to your energy, Spirit is telling me. You recently went through something, Divine Collective, that kind of reminded you why you started in the first place. This was the ancestors getting your attention, Spirit is telling me. I feel like a lot of you just recently went through and got through a very beautiful tower, okay? Some of you may be considering giving something a second chance, maybe something that you at one time tried and it didn't work out, Divine Collective. This could be some type of creative endeavor, creative project. Maybe it is that you're considering giving this a second chance, okay? Your ancestors have been trying to get your attention here, Divine Collective. They want you to remember why you started in the first place, okay? There's something that you need to give a second chance to, that maybe you have given up on, Divine Collective, but it was not the time. Spirit is saying it is now the time, okay? It's important that you know, Divine Collective, that someone, my bad, someone was asked here before they, let's just say before they gave the green light to go ahead to do what it is that they set in motion, they were asked, are you sure? Okay? You have to know this, Divine Collective. Spirit is telling me this person was sure, okay? The devil asked this person, are you sure? They were sure. Are you sure you want to come up against a spiritual leader? That is what I'm picking up on, Divine Collective. Okay, you are a spiritual leader in this storyline. Spirit says, let's be clear. Let's be abundantly clear here, okay? Someone is bound because they signed in blood. Someone traveled to do something to you, Divine Collective. They are now bound. They signed in blood, Spirit is telling me. You've taken all these lessons from this, and I feel like you're good. You're healed, Divine Collective. Based on what they've shown you, I feel, you're just not interested. You're good here. You've taken all the lessons and you're moving forward. This person even tried to turn your kids against you, Divine Collective. Do not seek approval. Seek excellence. They can't, Spirit says they can't see to manipulate you anymore. They can no longer astral project, Divine Collective, these karmics. A lot of you are getting a sense of creativity back. Confirmation, Divine Collective. Something that maybe you did as a child, that you did a long time ago, but you kind of gave up on it, Divine Collective, but it made you really happy. Maybe you were really good at whatever this creative project is. You're getting your sense of creativity back here. Something is being restored back in you. Again, it's all about divine timing, Divine Collective. That's why it's important not to give up, right? There's been so many things in my past that I was good at that I gave up because, you know, as you grow up, Divine Collective, you got bills to pay, you got to go to work, you know, this is how it is. So you kind of just lose yourself. You lose yourself. That's really the only way I can put that, okay? So in losing yourself, it's like, I don't have time to do this, you know, I got to take care of this, you know, I got to prioritize that, blah, 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 blah. So you're doing all this, not realizing that you're just going further and further back. You're putting yourself further and further back, Divine Collective, okay? So something in you is definitely being restored here, Divine Collective. Something that you thought you had, you know, buried, and it was, you were never going to do this again, okay? You're no longer invested in somebody, and I don't feel like they're taking this too well, Divine Collective. This person refused to change. I heard all because they refused to change. You are no longer interested. It's like this person was constantly trying to drag you back. They never wanted you to get ahead here, Divine Collective. I just feel like I'm constantly being pulled back in this reading, right? Like trying to drag you back. Someone is really fake. It's like this person is dealing with a lot of drama in their life, so they want to add you in on that, Divine Collective, okay? Because you're free. They don't like your freedom here. I'm getting a business owner. You've manifested freedom, Divine Collective. You've manifested wealth here. The police are of significance. The police, what's this about, Spirit? The police. Watching you in your 10 of cups, watching you be happy, and there's nothing they can do about it, Divine Collective, okay? hoping you'd be miserable. Yeah, this ex of yours that is just lingering in your energy, they were hoping that you would be miserable because they chose to be in a karmic relationship? What? They wanted you to be miserable because they chose to be in a karmic relationship. I was thinking about this yesterday, Divine Collective. I'm glad Spirit brought this up because I feel like when I speak about rage baiting, I feel like in some of these situations, these people, they know exactly what they're doing, Divine Collective, right down to the, the person that they chose to be with. And in a lot of these situations, it's like these karmics, how do I explain this? These karmics are messing with people that are very close to you, okay? Or at one point was very close to you. But they're also in a relationship with someone else that they have made public, right? Like they have a main person, and then I'm picking up on multiple energies as well. So what I'm feeling is a lot of these people are in these main relationships, but they're also screwing around. So what it is we're picking up on that with our intuition, and that's supposed to make us angry, Divine Collective. We're supposed to run and tell the main person, oh, he's cheating, he's doing this, I got the proof, my intuition is telling me this. However, that's not the case, because guess what? We don't care. This is what I keep picking up on. Someone playing games with our intuition, trying to throw rocks and hide their hands, throw stones at our intuition. However, we see this and we don't care. We're not going to go running telling the main side piece that, they're out with other options. But it's all strategy, Divine Collective. It's sickening. It's sickening. And that's what I keep picking up on, okay? They want us to pick up on them cheating on the main karmic, so we can run our mouths to the main karmic, right? But the thing is we would have to care. We don't. There's that. Spirit said, learn that there is strength in surrender, and you can only move on to the next phase if you let go of the old, Divine Collective. Yeah, someone here really hates your growth. You've had a complete transformation here. It's time to bring yourself outside the house. As you guys can see, every day this week, I've made it a point to prioritize myself and go outside and just sit in the sun, Divine Collective, at least for an hour, meditate. Okay, it's beautiful out here, just the fresh air, Divine Collective. So bring yourself outside the house here. Spirit is saying, make yourself available now. Make yourself available. Coffee cup is of significance. Someone wants to meet up and have a conversation with you. Someone feels uplifted, Divine Collective.